Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to your English Shadowing Bootcamp. I'm so proud of you for showing up today because that single choice to practice already puts you ahead. I know speaking English can feel scary, but today you're not just listening, you're speaking out loud with me. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, practicing, and getting just a little better each time. Even 5 minutes a day can transform your confidence. Small steps, taken often, lead to big results. Mistakes? They're not failures. They're signs that you're learning. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and let's begin. This is the start of your confident English journey. So what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking, listening, and pronunciation all at the same time. The idea is simple. You listen to a sentence in English, and then you repeat it out loud, almost like you're an echo. When you shadow, you're not just listening passively. You're training your mouth, your tongue, and your ears to work together. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, the stress, and even the music of the sentence. It's like practicing along with a song. You follow the melody until it feels natural. The goal is not to be perfect. It doesn't matter if your accent sounds different, if you speak more slowly, or if you make mistakes. What matters is that you're speaking out loud, using your own voice. Each time you repeat, your brain builds stronger connections, and little by little, English begins to feel more comfortable. Think of shadowing like exercise for your English muscles. Just like lifting weights makes you stronger, repeating sentences trains your speaking skills. And the more consistent you are, even just 5 minutes a day, the faster you'll notice improvement. So remember, listen carefully, repeat with me, and enjoy the process. Shadowing turns English practice into action, and action leads to real confidence. Today's focus is one of the most important skills you will ever learn in English: introductions. Why? Because introductions are the very first step in any conversation. They are how you open the door to connection. Whether you're meeting a new classmate, talking to a colleague, or even just making a new friend online, introductions are the foundation. If you can introduce yourself confidently, you're already building trust, confidence, and connection. Think about it. The very first words you say to someone often set the tone for the whole conversation. If you can smile, speak clearly, and share a little about yourself, you instantly feel more comfortable. And the best part? Introductions are simple. You don't need a big vocabulary or complicated grammar. You just need a few powerful sentences you can use again and again. So, what do we usually say in an introduction? We say our name. We might say where we're from. Sometimes we share what we do, what we enjoy, or why we're learning English. That's it. Simple, clear, and friendly. For example, hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm learning English because I want to travel. Just like that, you've already told someone 3 interesting things about yourself. Now, here's something important. Introductions are not just about words. They're about energy. Imagine saying, my name is Sarah. If you whisper it, look down, and sound nervous, the sentence feels weak. But if you lift your head, smile, and say, my name is Sarah, with energy and pride, the sentence feels powerful. The words are the same, but the feeling is different. That's why in today's practice, I want you to focus on more than just the vocabulary. I want you to focus on your voice, your rhythm, and your confidence. Let me share a secret. Most native speakers don't care if your grammar is perfect. What they notice is your attitude. Do you sound open? Do you sound friendly? Do you sound confident? Even if you're still learning? That's what matters. So today, every sentence we practice will be about introducing yourself in a strong and positive way. Here's how we'll do it. I'll say a sentence slowly and clearly. Then I'll pause, and that's your time to repeat after me. Don't just repeat in your head. Speak out loud. Let your voice fill the room. Even if it feels strange at first, keep going. Remember, shadowing is about training your English muscles. Every word you say is one more step toward fluency. And don't worry if you make mistakes. In fact, I want you to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are practicing. Mistakes mean your brain is growing. So be kind to yourself. Celebrate every effort. By the end of today's session, you'll have practiced 20 sentences you can use to introduce yourself in English. Some will be short and simple, others a little longer. But all of them will help you feel more confident the next time you meet someone new. So, are you ready? Let's begin your shadowing practice for introductions. Smile, take a deep breath, and let's speak English together. All right, my amazing learners, it's time to practice together. Remember, this is shadowing. You will hear me say a sentence slowly and clearly. Then I will pause. That pause is your moment to speak. Ready? Let's begin. Sentence 1. Hello, my name is Anna. Sentence 2. Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you. Sentence 3. Good morning, I'm Maria. Sentence 4. Hello, I'm from Brazil. Sentence 5. I come from Ethiopia. Sentence 7. I started learning English this year. Sentence 8. I want to practice speaking every day. Sentence 9. I'm happy to be here. Sentence 10. It's nice to meet you. Wonderful job. You've just completed 10 sentences. Take a deep breath, smile, and feel proud of yourself. You're doing fantastic. Now, let's keep going with a few more introductions to make you sound even more confident. Sentence 11. My full name is John Smith. Sentence 12. Please call me John. Sentence 13. I am from a small town near London. Sentence 14. I live in New York now. Sentence 15. I work as a teacher. Sentence 16. I am a university student. Sentence 17. I study computer science. Sentence 18. I enjoy reading and cooking. Sentence 19. I love traveling to new places. Sentence 20. I'm excited to practice English with you. Wow, amazing work today. You just completed day 1 of your English shadowing bootcamp. That means you practiced 20 real sentences that you can use to introduce yourself in English. Be proud of that. So here's your mission. Come back tomorrow, ready to practice again. Don't stop at just one day. Each day builds on the last. And by the end of this boot camp, you'll feel a big difference in your confidence.